Hi everybody. It's me, Carla. I just realized, yesterday felt like January, but I just realized it's actually we're almost done with October, and that means it's time for a Halloween craft. So let's get started. I love Halloween so much. And I especially like pumpkins. And so we're going to make some pumpkin art today. So you'll need some black paper, like a cardstock. This is actually not cardstock. It's called a report cover. And I think it's intended for people who are still stuck in school, or those who know somebody who is, and you use it for if you're forced against your will to write a report about something you don't care anything about, to prepare you for the workforce. So that's what we're going to use to make our pumpkin art. So what's very interesting is I have a little bit of acrylic paint left and a little bit of tempura paint for when you eat tempura. And I don't have any orange, and so we have to make our own orange. And so it's no big deal. We all remember colors from kindergarten, and so we're just going to make. Excuse me. We're going to make our own orange. I don't have very much yellow left, but I'm gonna use up the rest of my yellow acrylic paint. I've never mixed acrylic paint and tempera paint before. Tempera? I don't know how to say it. I'm not an art major. So I'm going to use the rest of my yellow. So what you might not remember from colors in kindergarten is that when you're mixing them, excuse me, you need a lot of the lighter color. Oh, look, there are two different shades of yellow. I guess that's normal. You need a lot of the lighter color and just a little bit of the darker color, because otherwise it'll get too dark too quickly. So we're going to try that. I actually don't think this is enough yellow. Yeah, a little bit more yellow. Boop. It's fun to make a noise when you squirt out your paint. Okay. And then we'll mix it together here. It's fun to sing a little mixing song when you mix your paint. I kind of hate it. I think I did too much red. I guess it's okay. I guess this is an acceptable pumpkin color. Okay, there. Now, oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you what we're even doing. Okay. So, we have our orange paint now. And what we need to do now is we're actually going to make our own pumpkin stamp. And so here's what you need. You need only two things. You need some trash, like a toilet paper roll. If you are the household that doesn't use toilet paper for reasons, you could use like a paper towel roll. And if you are the type of household that does not use paper towels for reasons, then you can use a toilet paper roll. Then you need some socks. I have these ladies' socks, and they feature letters of the alphabet. It's very confusing, but it was only 50 cents. I didn't want to use my own socks because I don't have that many. And so I got these for 50 cents. I think they'll work just fine. So I've never seen this craft project anywhere else. It actually came to me in the middle of the night when I was wide awake, panicking about money. And so this is how we do it. You want to make sure that not the heel side, but the top is perfectly lined up. And then you're just going to do an accordion fold. And you start off kind of small, and you make each fold a little bigger until about, until about here, and then you want to make it a little smaller again. So I hate that. Let's try it again. We want to make it perfect. So a little fold and a little fold and a bigger fold, and then a smaller fold again. That's it. That's it. Like this. So the shape looks kind of like a football shape. And then we're going to squish it in to our trash. Oh. It's harder to get in than I would have thought. Oh, so I did a really bad job. I think this one is smaller. Yeah, my toilet paper roll is too small. I'm going to try it again with my paper towel roll. Ladies, and men, I guess, this is why it's good to be prepared for all of your pumpkin craft needs. And just fold it again. It's no problem. You're probably not running late for anything, right? Well, that's pretty good. It's not great. And we want to just have it sticking out just a little bit. And so here's what's really fun. This is the magic, because this is our pumpkin stamp. And so if we squish it like this, it makes a pumpkin shape like this. And we could squish it in different ways. And so each pumpkin that we stamp can look a little bit different, natural. All right. I'm pretty unhappy with it, but we're gonna try our best. All right. I have so much paint on my paintbrush. I'm gonna paint on the first one, and then after that, I'll dip it in the paint. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Are you excited? All right, so I'm gonna squish it like this, and then I'm gonna try and see what happens. Okay, I actually really hate it a lot. And what I meant to do, I meant to get paint on the edges of my tube so that I could get an outline for, oh shit, I poked my sock in. I'm going to use, oh shit, oh my God, I got paint on my shirt. Oh shit, hold on. I meant to change my shirt first before I pull up my sleeves. There we go. Okay, so if you really messed up like I did, use your long paintbrush stick to poke out your sock. There we go. That's too much. Oh my God, I got paint on the wall. I hate Halloween. Okay, so we're just gonna put it in, and we're gonna go right over the last one we did so nobody knows that we fucked up. Okay, let's see. There we have a pumpkin. Look at that. That's good. All right, let's do another one. And we can squeeze the tube, squeeze it more to make a flatter pumpkin. There we go. Oh, I don't like that. So if you have a messed up pumpkin like this one, you could see there's a lot of sock up here and not enough down here. So just repaint or dip your stamp in your paint again and just go over it again. Of course, you turn it. And my sock keeps falling down in my tube. I just poke it out each time, and I try not to get paint on anything. I've gotten paint on my shirt and the wall. I hope it comes off both things, but especially the wall because it's a rental. You know how landlords are. All right, now I'm going to squish my thing the other way, and I'm going to try. There we go. That's kind of a funny one. I don't like it. So I'm going to try, because I guess it's okay, but I'm going to try again on top of it. I guess that's acceptable. I don't know. Okay, so that's 3 pumpkins. I think that's enough. Okay. Now the stem. So the stem is really easy. You get a little bit of your green tempera paint. Boop. That's enough. You only need a tiny bit. And then we put the lid back on so the paint doesn't dry out. And then I just have a little eraser. And so I'm going to stick the corner of my eraser into the paint. And then I'm just going to press it. And because you put the paint on the corner, it's going to naturally make a little line, so it looks like how the stems look, where it has a texture. If you wanted to, you don't have to stop at 3. I'm stopping at 3 because I have a very busy day. I have to clean the whole, I got paint on me again. I have to clean the whole house today, and I hate cleaning, and so it's probably going to take me a week. So I need to hurry up and get started. But there you go. There's how you make a cute pumpkin crab for Halloween. And if you wanted to, you could I used a different color, maybe black paint, to make a face on it, to make it a jack-o'-lantern. But I like what things look like before they're destroyed. So that's all for me today. I hope you really enjoyed today's episode. Okay, bye-bye.